The Supreme Court has granted interim relief from arrest to podcaster Ranveer Allahbadia on Tuesday. Allahbadia was seeking relief from multiple FIRs filed against him over his remarks on the YouTube show India's Got Latent. The case was heard by Justices Suryakant and N. Koteswar Singh. However, the court also slammed Ranveer and said, and I quote, "In name of freedom of speech, no one has license to speak whatever they want against norms of society." The court criticized him, saying, and I quote, "If this is not obscenity, what is it? Why should we quash or club FIRs against you?" Supreme Court also said, and I quote, "There is something dirty in this person's mind that has been spread through this program. The words you have chosen, parents will be ashamed, sisters will be ashamed, entire society will feel ashamed." The justices further criticized the language used, stating that it would cause shame to daughters, sisters, parents, and society at large. SC also directed that no further FIR shall be filed based on India's Got Latent and that Ranveer can seek protection from Mumbai police against death threats. Now, for context, the Assam police and then the Maharashtra cyber police registered separate FIRs against Allahbadia, Samay Raina, content creator Ashish Chanchalani, influencer Apurva Mukhija, and others for allegedly broadcasting obscene content. Allahbadia, meanwhile, has failed to appear before the police despite a second summons being served to him. The National Commission for Women rescheduled his hearing to March 6th after a requested postponement citing death threats. Now, what is the case? For context, during an episode of India's Got Latent hosted by comedian Samay Raina, Allahbadia made a crude joke that caught attention for being offensive. The remark quickly triggered outrage, leading to FIRs being filed in two states, Maharashtra and Assam. While the show was intended for a limited audience, clips went viral, intensifying the backlash. As criticism mounted, Allahbadia issued a public apology, admitting that he overstepped. In response to the controversy, Samay Raina removed all videos of the show to curb further scrutiny. Meanwhile, the Maharashtra Cyber Police has denied permission for comedian Samay Raina to record via video conferencing his statement in connection with the FIR registered against him, podcaster Ranveer Allahbadia, influencer Apurva Mukhija, and others over Allahbadia's controversial remarks. He is currently in US. This is a developing story. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is. I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipat.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीते और आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.